Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
To who?
To you.
Who's me?
Dad.
Birthdays have a funny way of shining a light on things we don't always pause to notice. Not the balloons or cake, but the quiet truths underneath. They remind you who shows up and who stays distant. Not out of malice, not even out of intention, just the simple reality that some people give more energy to excuses than effort. And even when you tell yourself it doesn't matter, there's still that small sting. The weight of being unappreciated in moments when appreciation would have meant the most. But that's life, isn't it? A mix of blessings and blind spots. Some people can't meet you where you are. Some never learned how. And some only realize your value long after the moment has passed. And you learn to release the expectations, to stop holding your breath waiting for what never arrives, and instead, breathe deeper into what does. Because every now and then, someone unexpected steps forward. A small gesture, a kind word, or a simple act that says, I see you, I appreciate you. And those moments hit different. They remind you the world still holds surprises, good ones, and sometimes they appear exactly when the heart needs them. So today I carry both truths with me, the heaviness of what was missing and the joy of what showed up anyway. I'm learning that gratitude doesn't need perfection, just honesty. And as this day unfolds, I'm choosing to lean into the light, into the people who bring it, and into the quiet blessings that don't always make a noise, but always make a difference. Paper. Morning. A pleasant morning indeed. You know why? Did you see? I'll give you a hint. Hi guys. I don't know. Nicholas thinks I'm filming him, but I'm filming you. He's talking. I don't know what he's. It's a tough actors to work with. But yes. What else? What else would Dave be doing on a Saturday morning besides jumping on the iPad because the Wi-Fi has returned? Best birthday present ever. Hot coffee, Wi-Fi. Don't happy birthday me. I'm in the middle of my monologue. Oh, happy birthday. And at 2:46 o'clock, that's how early it was in the morning, the lovely sounds of the water going into the bottom tank lifted my spirits and my feet so I could turn on the pump, and all the tanks were filled by 6:30. Wi-Fi, water, power, rainwater. Dave, how could this day get any better? I know I can get better, Nicholas. We could give Nicholas a pop quiz, right? Little teacher challenge. Nicholas, are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Great. On that ledge, I'm gonna call that a ledge. On those shelves are 5 different plants. Can you identify the 5 different plants?
I'll try.
That's all we can ask for. Take your time.
Okay, so this is time.
That's time. I gave you the hint. I said take your time, and yeah, okay.
Okay. This is rosemary.
Good. Now the harder ones.
Let's see. What hurts? Good luck with this one.
Mm-hmm. That's your hint. What? What do you think? Starts with a C.
Coffee. Ain't no way this is coffee.
Yes, that's your coffee. Those 2 on the end. The 2 on the end, Nicholas. Yeah, you were looking at the other plant. The 2 on the end are coffee. And the little one underneath that's still somehow growing are coffee, yes. From the Blue Mountains, from seeds all the way down Craig brought from his crusades. But there's one more in front of you. Smell it. See if you can, it's an herb. We will disregard your underpants, sir, with your shorts down. Mm-hmm. Such great influence for the children around here. Right, Dave?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Ready for the hint? It could be coffee or something else. Coffee or something else. Yeah, even the dogs are losing interest, Nicholas.
Nah, I don't know what this one.
Oregano. Or oregano, however you kids like to say it. Smell it. It goes great with food, they say.
No, but this one.
Oh yeah, I forgot that one.
This name. What can I say?
Do you need a hint?
Yeah.
No matter how much you ask, I will not sell it to you.
So salary. Salary. Am I right?
Yeah, Nicholas, you got it.
Yeah.
All right, Nicholas, just sit down before you hurt yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Careful, careful.
I'm smart though. I did get the
That
3.
positive self-talk that we know and love about you, man.
Yeah. But never expect those to be coffee. I thought they were chocolate.
Wow.
No, peanut butter. I swear, peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah. Look, I swear, I've
Peanut butter.
tree at my house.
Nicholas, this is only my first cup. We're gonna need to pace yourself, because oh boy. Peanut butter.
Let me see peanut butter.
Wow. Well, we all knew this day was coming sooner or later. Father's ready, mothers are ready. Chickens.
That's already.
I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. Be nice. Yes, Mom, Dad, I want you to meet somebody.
Nicholas.
It's Nicholas. I meant the girls, but all right, ladies. I am hoping this is gonna go well, okay? Be nice, Nicholas. Be nice.
That'll be nice.
Yeah.
I think.
Have you done this before?
No.
Oh, me neither. Here we go. All right, hi, good morning. Yeah, I know, fresh apple leaves, your favorite, then you can fight over them. But we got bigger things to do today, guys, gals, ladies. We gotta go meet Mom. Sonia, I need some female representation here. Okay.
Isn't working so well.
Yeah, I got my cheerleader. That'll work. Do we do one at a time, or should I do both of them at the same time? One at a time or both at the same time? Yo, what's going on with your wing, dude? What happened to you? What happened to your wing, bro? Your feathers are a little disheveled, man. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. Just in time. I need you to pull up the bootstraps. Whoa, careful. That's okay. Just going in. I'm gonna capture this moment. Action cam. Be nice. No, nice and okay. Hi, welcome to the family. Okay. Yay, Dad, ladies, Dad, be nice. He's scratching around them to say hi. Be nice, Father. They don't like you like that. Okay? Okay. Okay. Mom's coming over to say hi. He's just letting them know, hey, I'm... Oh, yeah, don't... Okay. Okay. We'll keep an eye out. Mom, you want to say anything? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
So y'all get this back out. Which area put this now?
Oh, we're going to bring the younger ones. I'm going to put this on this side of the trench.
Over here?
I think so.
Okay.
I'll put the smaller females in.
Yeah.
Females at home about...
Yeah, actually those smaller ones, 2 of them are roosters. Dave's going to handle that in about 10 weeks.
Or whatever y'all dig out.
All right, well, we'll keep an eye on you guys. Welcome. Listen, you got to be nice. All right? We're all here to have a good time. Hey, don't do it. You're good? Yeah, how come you're going to let her do that to her? You better have a talking with her, okay? Tell her.
Spot, what are you doing?
Tell her. Okay, well, we're gonna have to figure this out. Father. Oh, look, she's protecting her. And Father's being Father. Okay, plenty of room to run. We're gonna, yes. We'll see how the day goes. Great. Well, this will be interesting. You don't even know what's going on. You just got out of the hen house. Anyway, you guys gonna be nice to the new ladies? Yes. Teach them to come over here and eat with you guys, hopefully. Pops? You're okay? Yeah. Okay. They'll come in their own time. All right. Good luck. Roosters first. All right, roosters. You ready? Okay, round 2. Hi. Yeah, welcome. Welcome to where the big girls and boys play. I know. Everybody's all excited. New chickens everywhere. Hi, welcome. Yeah. Crazy, huh? Well, look at you. How'd you get in there? Yeah, you got to figure out how to get out. Uh-huh. Okay. All right, here we go. Morning. Welcome. Do what you can, okay? Yep. All right. Yay, everybody's in. Well, everybody's out, but in. Cool. Hey guys, food's in there, okay? Great. Any questions? No? Hoping to provide equal access for all, so one of you gets a little handicap ramp to get at the edge of the coop. We'll see if it works. Okay, there's your little ramp. Okay, you got a ramp now. I'm gonna help you out for the first time. Hold on. Inside, 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 inside. Come on. No, go inside. Go inside. Okay. Lead the way. Charge. Okay. All right, he got up to the top all by himself. That's good. It's going down. You coming down? Come on. You can do it. There's a ramp. You got this. Come on. Down the ramp. Down the, yeah. Oh, you didn't even need the ramp. See? You're just one of the gals or guys. You got this. Oh boy. Emma, leave my chickens alone. Excuse me, Miss Sonia? Miss Sonia? Your French toast is ready. Shall it be delivered or should I put it on ice? Nicholas?
Hey guys.
You don't need to translate for my... I speak Sonia. Yes. Bow lower next time, Nicholas. Lower. We've practiced this. Oh. Mm-hmm. What's that? I don't know. I'm talking to the bush right now. It's the burning bush has come to get me. Yep. Yeah, so Wi-Fi being back has its pros and cons. Kids are enjoying their electronic time right now. Oh, Nicholas, I'm sorry. I'm not talking to Nicholas. I'm talking to the YouTubers. I know it's weird. I talk to my phone. And my phone doesn't talk back. Unlike a lot of the kids around here. He's begging for attention. I'm sorry. He doesn't get enough. I told him, make your own channel, Nicholas. Make your own channel. But he's like... Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah, that's right. It's my birthday today, so I'm not correcting. Not even Nicholas.
Huh?
Nothing. Not correcting. Not doing it. I'm taking a day off. I'm throwing in the metaphoric white towel for a few hours anyway. Nicholas, I need some time alone. I need some me time right now. Okay, thank you. Yep, see what I mean? Today's my day. My day, for me. Even when I make French toast and then run out because there's not enough. It's gonna be okay. Got coffee rum coming. What's up? Meanwhile, I'm not the only one needing some me time. It looks like we've got a... Father's left for the day, gone to work, you know, he'll be back. Supposedly. That's what he said anyway. But the elders, well, the elder children have the big play space to play amongst the baby guavas, which will be cut down to size shortly. Yay, invasive species. Yeah, that's a good hiding spot though. And our little ones all made it back into their new home. Hi. Great. And yeah, the ladies are having a meeting at the water hole or the food container and talk about what's going on. What do you guys think of the new place? Huh? Quite a bit more space than the last place, huh? And there's even an upstairs. Oh, yeah. Little loft. Yeah, there's your older siblings. Probably a little jealous right now, but that's all right. What you do when you're 41, you talk to chickens. It's when they start talking back, you start to worry. But until then... Cool. Emma! Emma! What are you doing? Okay, leaf chips. Okay, great. Hey, stranger. Long time no see.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
I know. What you been up to?
Play with Cayenne in it.
That's cool.
See if I'm going to play with Josh.
You see the updates here?
Huh?
You see the updates?
Yeah.
What do you see?
How did you do that?
Do what? Do what?
How did you put that in there?
It's on wheels, remember?
Yeah, but like, how did you get it in?
Well, we actually built this outside part. This didn't used to be here. So we just wheeled it in and then we built a little outside. But, what do you notice?
The tricks that... Oh! The tricks that was in there, they're there now. And the little tricks that was in the house, they're in there.
You got it. It's been an interesting adventure so far.
It doesn't say it tricked them where it tricked them where the inlet so the inner cover that say. And when they go what's up, they see them over there so.
Yeah, the moms aren't too happy about them being there yet. Yeah, they're still playing.
But it's something they want. Where do you want so? In what? The one where do you want so?
He's in there, yeah. The one-y. Look, we even put a little ramp in there so he could get up, although he didn't even need it.
And I want no.
Well, he flutters, he flaps his wings and flies up, but these guys found their water and food. No, he's a little one on the outside over here, about a white one.
There, he's tiny.
I know, he's a little runty. A little runty. Good job, Dave. Because he's got a bad foot, dude. But so far, so good. Yeah? Cool.
Yeah,
What's up, man? What is that? Who's that for?
You.
Why?
I remember the same with you.
Do you know why? Do you know what day it is today?
Huh?
Do you know what day it is today?
Yes, it's you.
You carried Sweetie for me?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, that smells lovely. Want to see the face of jealousy? There it is. Hey, Junior, I see you. I might share if you're lucky. Don't worry.
Yes, you like this.
Hold on. This is a 2-in-1 shampoo gel and shower gel and shampoo. Intensity all day fresh. Wait, I can't. Oh, that one's for you? You brought one for you, huh? And Axe Blue Lavender, my favorite color. Do you know why? Morris, do you know why you brought me a gift today? You don't? Can I have one? Yeah. Can you guess whose birthday it is?
You.
Yes, Father, on my birthday. And I am going to share my Whoppers with you. I haven't had Whoppers in so long, dude. Here.
I didn't know this stuff.
The milk, yeah, the Milk Duds are not my favorite, but I'll make it work. Okay, here, you hold the camera. Wait, hold on, that's your hand, dude. You feel me open it. Back up. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. I got a Whopper. Whopper. Thank you. Cool. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you. Oh. Mm-hmm. We're gonna go get ice cream. Richmond. We're gonna go to the river and we'll go get ice cream. Yeah. Yeah. After we're done. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cool.
You gonna come with?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's go. Bye. Don't tell anybody. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, go hide it in the car. Go. Where's the car?
Yeah.
In the front. Really, Dave? All right. Well, sometimes you gotta let the chickens live a little bit. Nicholas, get the puppies. Emma said, no, I'm not coming back in.
Let me in.
No, man, go get the dogs.
I'm clean.
Why? So here's the game plan, right? Birthday game plan. We need to stop at Marore to pick up several Christmas packages. And when I mean several, I mean, thanks, Nicholas.
You're welcome.
Quite a few. But in order to do that, I know, we have to maybe have cash, because yesterday when we tried to stop by there, their machine wasn't working. So then there's an ABM in Highgate. If there's no cash available there, because there wasn't the last time we were there, then we gotta go to Port Maria, or at least on the way to Port Maria, in order to get the funds to be able to get the packages. And then we're supposed to go to Richmond to pick up the ice cream, and we gotta go get everything. So it can work. You can watch the dogs.
Oh.
Yes,
You
dude.
need to call back Marore.
You need to call them back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Quinn needs a seat. Junior, move over. Great, move your bag. Cool, you can't take it up so she can sit down? We're gonna make it. True, you had what?
You have a key tag.
Your hand was full of a bottle cap.
You have a
Wow.
key, right?
Yes, yeah, I have the key.
My seat? No good? We go no space around there. We don't have leg space, right?
I am
Okay.
Okay, are all sodas capped? I don't know where the
Can I
sodas...
get the drinks down quick? I come thirsty, bad. I don't know, me hungry because my mouth look white.
I'm buy first sona.
Get them, say, so give me
I'm me buy sona for you. I'm me buy it.
Hi.
Dave, I'd like to leave.
And they look ya.
Thank you.
And they look ya.
Yeah, lose. Look, play a pass and we play. I'll show you. I'm going to make them run left you. See, they're going like a fraud.
Alright, well, we're gonna figure it out. Alright, find your seats, Let's go.
Andre.
Hey, Mari, long time no see. Love the shirt. Thank you. Look at that shirt. Dang, bro. Never give up, level up. Is that Japanese or Chinese?
Chinese.
It's probably Japanese. Alright, now we're ready. Alright, first stop, Marore. Hardcore Marore for 9 packages. Christmas is coming. If we're lucky.
Overtime.
So, great.
Colors, just pick up any colors want.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, there's enough for the rest of us to have something. Well, that was fun. The ABM actually worked. The Marore actually worked. Christmas is coming. We gotta buy wrapping paper.
Why me? I don't know. Buy wrapping paper.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
telling you so much of them. I go put that people in the store and
I know. Either way. Let's go find a river.
Ice cream.
Oh yeah, I get ice cream, I forgot. Time for the river adventure. And then ice cream. We're not staying long, right?
How long are you guys planning on staying?
I don't know, the weather's pretty horrible. It's 12 o'clock.
No, I'm not staying on the river 3 hours.
When Sonia says she's ready,
Ready.
I'm
we're
not
ready.
staying on the river 3 o'clock. I'm not going to
Okay.
stay. Me take taxi go up if I'm not ready.
Alright, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Me not.
At 12 o'clock, 2 hours soon.
you guys, the river's the other way.
We have a call to John.
Oh boy. Yay, river. belly flop.
Jump past him, guys. Jump past him, guys. Simbo. Go so up, Jay. Go to us. Junior.
Huh?
Gotcha.
We'll get some ice cream.
Yeah.
Ready for ice cream? Okay.
No.
No, thank you. Nothing like motivating the kids to move on from the river by the false promise of ice cream. Yeah. I might share. I'm sure you haven't officially decided yet, but it was cool. I don't know. I like the idea of a river, but when you get there, whoa, Marore almost dropped. Starting to turn into my parents. We go and watch. That's just as entertaining. Because then I get all the nuances. Like you get in the river, and you get wet, and the water's kind of dirty, and you gotta clean off, and you're wondering like what's growing in the river that got on you. Then you gotta make sure you clean that off, and then you got Junior listening to everything that you say. Oh, hi, Junior. And you go for coffee room ice cream. That was great, Dave. Okay.
And you get up on the iPad.
Hi, iPad. Hand me the iPad, please.
What are you doing, Ron?
Okay. Everybody's in. Marore, sit down. Junior, I need you to stop. Okay. Marore, sit down. Happy birthdays. Coffee room. Not just the ice cream. We're getting the real stuff. We're gonna need it. Okay, you know what's great about being the birthday boy? I don't have to go get the ice cream. Woohoo! We got the cooler in the back. We got the ice cream in the shop. I gotta pay for it though. I guess it's not all great. Who's gonna help get the ice cream? Charge! Watch the road. Go with Sonia. Didn't rehearse this one, so we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna. So, I heard from daughter Jada via text a very nice, very nice reminder of how much she has appreciated my presence in her life. Presence is spelled more ways than one. Oh. And Mr. Javier, the second eldest, the one back in Hawaii, gave me a call. He's working at, I should know this by now, someplace washing cars. I think it's the airport. Or it's a rental car company at the airport. Yeah. And he was talking while the car was going through the automatic car wash. Forgive my rudeness, Sonia. Gifted me some unsalted pistachios. In the shell, moderation. 1.5 ounces per serving, because those K-Cows add up quick. It pairs nicely with some iced coffee and some good old authentic Jamaican rum cream. Which I haven't had in a very long time, but I had a good chat with Javier. He even sent a little monetary gift of sorts. And here's where it gets interesting from a parental's perspective. One second. Now, while he was on the phone, he said, "Oh yeah, I Venmo'd you some money for your birthday. It's not much, but hopefully you get something you can enjoy." And I was expecting, like $10, $20, something, a little something. Full disclosure, yeah, I checked it and it was like $50. Now, I was Javier's age not too long ago, and I remember the grind, the struggle. Remember those working days of 2-3 jobs and long hours and late nights, and $50 was a lot. So, and I don't think he's prepared for it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, I don't think he's ready, but I'm gonna do it. He told me to get something, so I think what I'm gonna do is I got the big bottle of rum cream. Like, it'll last a while, because as much as I enjoy a good rum cream, I know it's not great for the figure, so I don't drink too much of it, except on special occasions. And I think it would be fun. I'm gonna do it to send him back 30 out of the 50 and tell him thanks, that I found something to enjoy, because the rum cream bottle was like $10. Cool. And we got cups and spoons for everybody for the ice cream later on. I think it'll be fun to send him back 30 out of the 50 and say thanks, and that the something, since that's a great word around here, that was to be enjoyed, didn't cost that much, but I appreciate the kind gesture. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Why not? Could be fun. It's the thought that counts, they say, and it really is. It's really nice that he made the effort to call. It's an interesting bag, man. In step-parent land, it's an interesting world, because you get one calls and actually has a conversation and sends a little something. One sends a text of gratitude, and the other two, we're working on our relationship. Is that it? And when I working on it, I mean playing the long game. We'll see. They're making some interesting choices in life, and I wish the best for them. And we'll see where that one heads. But all in all, it's going to be a pleasant afternoon. I've been missing the hammock. We've been working on the beautiful new tile, which now doesn't hold water, thankfully. Look at this. I'll see how long it stays that color white, but nice little walking path, non-slick. And now the gazebo's back, ready for some classic jerk chicken tonight after I clean the grill. Yeah, I don't. And that's what 41's all about, man. Getting back in the hammock. Puppy. Hi, Emma. This is supposed to be my peace and quiet time. The kids are all inside. You can't win them all. Oh. But all in all, a pretty enjoyable day so far. Although, I will say that when you haven't gotten a whole lot of sleep because of a variety of factors, including water in the pipe at 2:46 in the morning, your temperament is down. Nicholas and I actually was really impressive. He did the whole yoga session today with me, the whole 50 minutes. They maybe didn't look exactly like the people in the videos, but he made it. It was the thought that counted and the effort. And then you got the other ones. Should we have that conversation? Should we go there? Should we do that? 1 second. Why not? I've got time. Yeah, I'm a little... I don't like to use the D word unless I really mean it. A little disappointed, but... You know when it's the boy's birthday... I'm talking about the ones that live with us full time. You want to do something great for them. You want to give them experiences that perhaps they wouldn't be able to get to have if they weren't in your care and you weren't a part of their lives. And the challenging part I've had, and not just with them, but with other kids that I have helped raise along the years, is like, how do you get them to learn to pay it forward, right? And that's... Sadly, it's just I've lowered my expectations to avoid disappointment. But it's tough. Like, you're so great, and this goes for the holidays too. Like, you so much enjoy receiving gratitude or the kindness from others. But I don't know. It's one of those. I think I'm gonna go with the nature nurture debate at this point, and this could be the pistachios talking. But yeah, like, I don't know. My mom's always said I had I always looked out for the underdog. I guess that's the way she kind of put it. And that was always the mentality, you know? Maybe not always. I mean, I went through my teenage years and all that fun stuff. But yeah, it was always like a mindset of... Maybe empathy is just the best word. Just understanding what it might be like in other people's perspectives. I remember grade school, man. And I was a big boy. I got made fun of for that. And so that's how you develop a sense of humor in order to fit in and not get made fun of. See where that goes. But yeah, I don't know how and besides modeling to get them to understand, like, it's important you do those things for other people. Yes, it's great to receive those things for you, but I sigh. I haven't had this in so long. They're not as easy as to open as I remember, but yep, that's my little 41 and me reflection. Just they're all on their iPads enjoying the Wi-Fi now that it's back. We're getting back into the same old habits, same routines. And you would think, like, part of me, like, vindictively wants to, like, know when their time comes and you reciprocate the same lack of effort. I would feel bad about doing that, and sometimes I think, you know, regardless of what you get in return, it's important to put your best foot forward and hope that one day the glue sticks. And it's interesting. I will say, one day is not tomorrow, and it's not next week. A couple months from now, I doubt it. Maybe years. That's years. We'll figure it out. And when they do, and they call you and they Venmo you some money out of appreciation, it's a good it's a good feeling. That's all I gotta say about that. Gonna get all sappy. All right. Calm down, rum cream. Let's enjoy some peace and quiet while we can. Well, we have Christmas gifts arriving already, and we'll just have to start looking for some paper and for places to hide them. This right now under the bed is getting a little too obvious, although I'm not too concerned. But what happens if we run out of space under the bed? What do we do? Oh, Nordstrom, shipping one little thing per box. 0.3 pounds. Either way, yeah. Got some amazing subscribers helping bring in that holiday spirit, and I'm gonna have to look for a bunch of wrapping paper. So normally it's jerk chicken time, solo mission. Wifey's on the phone, kids are off frolicking. But today's a little different. And when I mean different, I mean Nicholas. Nicholas.
Hey guys.
Nicholas. There's a problem. I know.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It happens. Don't ask Sonia how much time she spent cleaning this place yesterday to make it back up to what it used to be. Oh, hey, you come to take notes? Yeah. Okay. Well, we've got some nice clean chairs for you. A shoe-free gazebo once again. Oh, yes, he did.
Then cool down.
They're okay.
This mango flavor tastes good.
Yeah.
You should give it a try, Tyler.
Yeah. Yeah, mango flavored.
And it tastes like mango.
Nice. Anyway, so you're complaining about it being cold? My apologies if you live in an environment where it gets below 70. It might be 71 right now, and Sonia's chilly. It is a nice little cool breeze, though. You could wrap in the hammock, actually, if you really wanted to.
Yes, then come on.
So, like in the work environment when you get that new employee that's half your age and they try to tell you how to do things? That's the analogy I'm going with. So, hey, newbie,
Hey.
what do we do first?
Okay. I'm on the spotlight. I'm nervous. Okay, so I have to turn on this.
Yeah, see if he knows how to turn it on.
Wait, gas on?
Of course not. Why would the gas be on? This is going to be fun. Oh boy. Come on, Nicholas. Do you need some help? Push, click, fire.
Wait, there is no fire.
There was fire.
Move down.
Oh, now that's high. We want to, yeah.
Burn up the chicken.
Cool. Now what, boss?
Well, are you going to turn
Now we're
that
gonna
thing?
close it down and we're gonna let the grill eat.
Eat? The grill doesn't eat, it heats.
It heats.
Okay, I'll translate here. Great.
You think you eat the food?
When you got that new hire and they just want to prove themselves, this is back.
Yay! I know.
Yay. Mind you, he's never cooked on a propane grill before.
You never cook on this?
You know I'm blaming you for this, right?
Me?
Yeah.
I tell me, say my phone the birthday or something.
Okay, well, if we go hungry tonight, we got plenty of ice cream and cake.
Exactly. Your turn it on, right?
It's down low.
It is on low.
Yes, those are all low. Yeah. I know, it needs to be grilled. It needs to be clean. Don't judge. That's low. Yeah.
Did brush and brush, yeah.
Did we get the fork and the tongs?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I did brush off already, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I brushed it off.
I did brush it off already.
Oh, hold on, I should be taking notes.
Tyler.
It should be sizzling.
Maybe the bowl could get a little closer to the grill so you don't drop any juice on my beautiful towel. I don't know. I'm micromanaging the new guy. Oh, I hear sizzling. So do you do a particular side down first, or you just set it and forget it?
All I said it, I got turned, so.
Yeah, but you got the skin side which Sonia left on. Sonia.
Yeah, I'm left on it.
I noticed. And you have the non-skin side. Okay, Nicholas. I feel like we're going to be hungry tonight. Oh, it's already flaring.
Well, let's see another funny one off here.
Okay, well, We'll be right back after these message from our sponsor. Okay, this is the before. This is the before. Uh-huh.
Don't worry, it's going to look perfect and it's going to taste even better.
You're talking about the chicken, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're not talking.
Honey, calm down. Oh, and now he's going to use my beautiful marinade and bastardize it with barbecue sauce and shoyu, or soy sauce.
Yeah, that's
Thanks,
what they
Nicholas.
do.
That's
yeah,
what
that's
they do.
What they do. For real. You know what, Mado?
Okay. I'm going to sit down. That's what I'm doing.
Well, that's what they told me anyway.
Okay, all right.
Soy sauce.
That's all the action cam I can do for now. Nicholas?
Show you.
Good luck.
Sauce. What were you having in the colors?
Oh, you can't tell him the secret recipe of barbecue and shoyu. You didn't even take any thyme or oregano off of your veranda. Can you believe that?
The barbecue sauce, the Chinese soy sauce.
Yeah.
All right, this generation, no patience, man. 2 minutes later.
No,
2 minutes later, you already took all the heat out of the grill, Nicholas.
Check it.
Check it? What are you checking?
Because the fire is extremely high, even though it's up on low. So you don't want the chicken burns. You have to check it.
Nicholas, I can see from here whether or not there's any flames coming up to the chicken level. That's what I believe that's what the crevice is for. That's what I'm claiming. But now I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure every time you open the grill, all of the heat comes out of it.
I'm gonna let myself over there.
Mm-hmm. But anyway, I'm sorry. Go. You got this, newbie. Show him what's up. It's like the Energizer Bunny, man. Just keeps going and going and going. Mm-hmm. Well, it's not 5 minutes later. He's already on the phone. Already on the phone. What kind of work environment is this? Newbie's on his cell phone.
You never tell somebody in a taxi or come with me.
Oh, it's mother. I guess we'll allow it. He's been pardoned.
Maybe something. Can't leave now.
10-minute update. Nicholas made a beautiful marinade with what he claimed to be Chinese soy sauce, as opposed to other soy sauce.
Yeah.
Or shoyu, where Hawaii comes from. And barbecue and special things. Guess where that marinade is right now? Where's the marinade?
Let's get it.
No. Where is it? Tell him the truth. It's in the bowl.
It's in the bowl.
10 minutes of chicken drying out, and he's got marinade in a bowl. I'm just giving you a hard time, man. We're hazing the newbie.
Chicken will not dry out that fast.
Okay. Well, Sonia left the chicken on, so there's a little bit room for moisture. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, trust me.
But his beverage is gone. Didn't even go for a refill. Free refills around here, and he didn't go for one.
I don't worry, I will go for one. Because you can have used the beer anyway, so. Trust me, you won't go to waste time.
We'll come back soon. Hopefully. All right, sir.
Is it even strong enough to warm me?
No, it's not. Honey? Wow.
She looks like a child swinging.
I know. She's just having a good time.
I mean, your foot need to touch the ground.
I'm sure.
That's the point of the hammock, I'm pretty sure. Have we marinated yet? More importantly, have we marinated?
Yes, that I have polished already.
Okay.
You were gone.
We're gonna use a bottle. Like a bottle and you know, bottle and shake and then it is.
Honey, that's great for a charcoal grill. A flame grill. Why don't you use a bottle on the stove? Well, what would happen if you did?
You know, so it's coming like Bobby jerk.
Oh, it's barbecue. Well, he put barbecue sauce on it. I guess that's what we're gonna have.
No. Honestly, that's.
Oh, yeah. It's not a jerk pan. No, it is not a barrel cut in half. No, this is a Americanized propane grill that's meant to keep the smoke down and the chicken hot.
Oh, first of all, let me say, we can come on the crossing feed drum. The bar will come and you pick put some.
Oh boy, you segued into that one really well, dear. But speaking of drum and barrels, I've got more important things to worry about. Okay, Nicholas. I mean, you're gonna get some crispiness as it is. No more marinade? We're gonna just... You made all that marinade for nothing?
Oh, we're gonna put more.
Well, what are we waiting for, sir? You sure you're good? You're not nervous. Are you sweating? You look like you're sweating, dude. Are you sure? Okay. Okay, well, you're doing great. What do you call that painting technique there? Side to side, wax on, wax off. What are you saying?
Wax on, wax off.
Okay. You sure you don't? Oh yeah. He's painting the roses red right now. Okay. Hi. Wi-Fi reaching out here? Okay.
Look at the window. Where window is? Spot. See window there. Stop because.
All right. Status update, Nicholas. 35 minutes has officially turned off the grill. Threw on some more marinade. I think we'll be fine.
All purpose.
Only have one more.
My enjoy my peace and quiet.
Trying.
Birthday. Just come, just when in a manual and you get up.
But we can't burn down over there, so can you sit down close? Dog, move from back on there and stop. Push the thing with me, there, man.
Meanwhile, time for the chickens to call it a night. The littlest ones, they've got the memo. They said, okay, time to go inside where it's safe. Everybody made it in. Money's there. You two hanging out up there. Okay. Cool. We're going to call it a night, guys. All right. Thank you for making it easy for me. Unlike some chickens over there that are taking their sweet time to find their home. All right. Firstborn siblings, you know how they are. Okay. Everybody's in for the night. There. Cool. Ladies, yeah, this is where it's going to get tricky. We got to go in there with the big ones, but they're upstairs. You can probably stay downstairs tonight. I know, you're a little confused. Here, we'll show you the way. Ladies. Oh, no. We're going inside. I know. We're going inside. It's going to be all right. They're going to stay upstairs. You guys can stay downstairs, okay? Oof, that's front foot. Good job. That's one. Okay. Hey. Time to go inside. Where are you going? You little... Okay, Rocky. I'm not ready for the... Okay. I know. Thank you. We're going inside. You're so cute. Look at you. Okay. Everybody will come out tomorrow. Hopefully, in one piece. Go find your older moms and dads. They're upstairs. Hanging out. I'll open you back up tomorrow. You guys have a good night, okay? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
To who?
To you.
Who's me?
Dad.
Uh-huh.
Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And many more.
May the good Lord
May a good life.
do what?
No.
Close enough. Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Cheesecake.
Cool. It's gonna go great with some coffee rum ice cream. Uh-huh. Knife, please.
Oh, knife, please.
Mhm.
Here you go. Here's the cake.
Ready? You too.
Huh?
How come you're counting?
All right, then
Do I
you're
get to
going now.
count? Wow, you see this? She's counting on my own cake. 1, 2, 3. Confetti.
Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Hooray!
Hooray!
I know me not see you do not what
I
you
don't
do.
keep all them, yeah.
All what you do, you keep on the left giving it, and you
What's going on? Let's go to school. So we never retire.
Good night, sir. Good night. Good night. Goodbye.
Big man.
Andre, we got homework tomorrow, dude. Yeah, your books are right here. Yeah. Huh? You're gonna sleep over here? You got clothes? You gonna go get some? Alright. Go ask, go find out. Call her, find out, man. I was just telling the guys good night. Good night. Toodles. How was the cheesecake?
Cheesecake was awesome.
Just one piece?
Yeah, it was in one piece.
Mm-hmm. And the ice cream?
I ate mine.
Mm-hmm. Who knows what'll go on in the next adventure. So until next time, Sonia, tell me good night.
Good night. You close on me arm. I'm gonna go shower.
Okay.
For me too.
Housemaid.
Vamos.
Almost here.
Yeah. Vamos.
Okay, bye.
What are you? Bye. Good night. Adios.
And then you
And then you go.
go. Okay.
Nice.
There's
You
two.
gotta go.
Bye.
You know what? What?